Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 videos in one frame. First, we will cover the fundamental concept of combining multiple video clips into a single visual display. Then, we'll explore the various software tools available for this task, from professional suites to free, user-friendly options. Finally, I'll guide you through preparing your individual video clips to ensure a smooth and efficient editing process. Choosing the right software is crucial for creating your multi-video frame. Many excellent video editing programs offer the necessary features, allowing you to layer and position 3 separate clips. Popular professional choices include Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, which provide extensive control. For those seeking free alternatives, Shotcut and OpenShot are fantastic options, offering robust tools without the cost. Select a program that best fits your skill level and project needs. Once your software is chosen, the next step is arranging your 3 videos. Begin by importing each of your 3 video clips into the program and placing them on separate tracks within the timeline. This layering allows individual manipulation. Then, adjust the size and position of each video within the main frame, aiming for a balanced composition. A common and effective layout is a simple grid, with all 3 videos displayed side by side or in a 2:1 arrangement. Finally, it's time to export your combined video for sharing. Before exporting, carefully preview your entire creation to ensure all 3 videos are perfectly synchronized and positioned as intended. Next, select an appropriate output format and resolution. A common choice is 1080 pixels for high-definition quality. Exporting the final video file will render your multi-frame masterpiece, ready to be shared across various platforms. Always aim for the highest quality your platform supports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.